Hey guys, you're welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Okogene and you're welcome to my channel. I make content on sewing tutorials, vlogs for now. And if you're a subscriber, thank you for sticking with me since 2021. Thank you very much. So today I have a wedding to go, and it's my aunt's wedding, so I'm trying to vlog. I just said that it's been a while I did something for my channel, so I'm trying to vlog on my way to the wedding, and I'm making two contents. So I was thinking, I don't know which I'm going to post first, so I was thinking of making because I'll be doing my makeup today, so I'm going to a makeup artist. I'll be doing my makeup today, and I thought of talking about my YouTube journey so far. I was thinking of, I don't know, it's as if this volume is loud. I don't know, I just got this lavalier mic, so I don't know if it's actually working. I don't know if it's actually working and you can hear me clearly. So I just pray it works as I dreamt of it. So I was thinking of, as I'm trying to make my makeup, as I'm doing my makeup, get ready with me and talk about my YouTube journey, because I went off for a while. I've not been consistent on YouTube compared to when I started this channel. So I want to talk about that while getting ready. So I need to just paint my fingernails and start getting ready beads and start getting ready. I got food. So I'm not cooking. I got food from somewhere to eat. Important notes: if you're going to a wedding, make sure you eat. Nobody's going to tell you that, but make sure you eat to your satisfaction, because you may end up getting there and then see food to eat. So I'm always prepared. I want to eat and paint my fingernails, and then I'll come back to show you what my fingernails are, and get ready like beads, and then what again? Then I'll start doing my makeup. So I might just show you clips of me doing my makeup here, but like I'm going to do a proper talk when getting ready, right? So yeah, that's it. They don't know. Check this barrier. Check. I'm not a makeup artist, right? But like I did try for my own makeup, oh, I'm so beautiful, and that's a neat period.
My daddy. As I see you go, picture, I say, I know this daddy now. These are the families of the bride. The parents of the bride are coming in. That is small. That is small. The one that they look at her. A look at her. Daddy, don't greet your people there before you go. Just sit. Daddy, go and greet your people. That's all. For everywhere. Hold on.